And moving on and shifting our focus to other big stories of the day and getting you the latest on Pegasus row. Supreme Court appointed expert committee which is probing the Pegasus surveillance scandal has submitted its interim report. And according to sources, the panel has sought more time to complete the probe.
According to sources, the committee has informed the Apex Court regarding the progress made in the probe that till now 13 people, including 2 cyber experts, have deposed before the commission.
So this is a very, very significant update there in Pegasus row scandal. In fact, Supreme Court appointed expert committee which is probing the entire matter has submitted its interim report to the Apex Court, and as per sources, the panel has sought more time to complete its probe, and a very crucial hearing is going to take place tomorrow in the Apex Court regarding this. And the committee has informed the Apex Court regarding the progress made in the probe that till now 13 persons, including 2 cyber experts, have deposed before the commission. This is as per sources, but very, very crucial hearing is slated to take place tomorrow, where we will get to know what exactly has been said by the Supreme Court appointed expert committee. But let me go across to Harish for more details on this. Harish, good morning. First of all, help us understand what exactly are the sources telling you right now as far as the findings in this particular report is concerned.
Yes, as you rightly said, this is a very significant development as far as the Pegasus spyware scandal is concerned. The technical panel, the probe committee appointed by the Supreme Court last year, October, has filed its interim report before the Supreme Court, before the bench led by Chief Justice Ramana, which will take up the report for discussion tomorrow. And according to sources, the committee has sought more time for completing the probe. And as you rightly said, the committee has, in its report, said that already till now 13 people, most of them journalists, and 2 cyber experts have deposed before the committee. And what is more important is that following mails issued to several petitioners and also 3 public notices issued by the committee has received so far a dozen devices for technical examination, and it will also say that 8 more devices will be shortly coming. And they will say that till February 3rd, they had received just 2 devices, and after that, 1 more public notice was issued. And after the committee allayed all their apprehensions regarding privacy and assured the petitioners that their instrument will be examined in their presence, the digital copying, digital imaging will be done in their presence, and they can go take back their phones, and before submitting, they can delete all the personal information. After such assurances were given, 8 more phones have come. That includes 7 phones of accused in Bhima Koregaon case. So these are some of the things the committee will tell the Supreme Court in its affidavit. And as I said earlier, essentially they have sought more time to complete the probe. Remember, the Supreme Court was forced to form a probe committee because the center had refused to file an affidavit whether they had used any spyware or if at all it has been used, what kind of spyware were used to snoop the citizens. The center had cited national security, but the Supreme Court said that the center cannot get a free pass by stating national security when such serious allegation of snooping on its citizens had come. So as of now, an interim report has been filed by the committee, and that will be taken up for hearing tomorrow. And as of now, what we know is that the panel has assured the court that the probe is going ahead in the right earnest, but it requires some more time.
Right, Harish, in fact, if we talk about the Israel-based, NSO firm there, now it is best known for the Pegasus spyware, and it also speaks about and claims to be giving it to vetted governments. Now, do we see a reaction of probably a statement that is sought also from the Israel-based firm here, as far as this probe panel is concerned?
Yes, that's a very relevant question, and after such a report came in a foreign media, which was even quoted by the media in India, even two petitions have already been filed in the Supreme Court seeking a probe into the new angle that India had bought this Pegasus spyware from Israel, and we'll have to wait and watch whether the Supreme Court takes up these petitions also along with the 12 petitions, and whether the probe committee has made any reference to it in its interim report. So all eyes on the Supreme Court tomorrow when the Supreme Court will take up the Pegasus spyware related hearing.
Right, Harish, thank you so much for getting us all those details.